abide, abode, abode, arise, arose, arisen, awake, awoke, awoken, backbite, backbit, back, bitten, backslide, backslid, backslid, be, was, were, been, become, became, become, bear, bore, born, beat, beat, beaten, begin, began, begun, believe, believe, believe,
Abstain, abstained, abstained.
abolish, abolished, abolished, abandon, abandoned, abandoned, accept, accepted, accepted, acknowledge, acknowledged, acknowledged, accuse, accused, accused, acquire, acquired, acquired, acquaint, acquainted, acquainted, add, added, added.
For more words, see video 2.